Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to General. Tap on iPhone storage right here. Then you will see all of the storage usage based on the applications, photos, messages, and iOS and system data. And if you want to clear cache on a specific app, so let's say I want to clear cache on TikTok, simply tap on TikTok, then tap on offload app, wait for it to finish, then tap on reinstall app, and it might take some time, just wait for it to be done. And as you can see, it went from 1.7 gigabyte, so it was 2 gigabytes earlier, and it is now 1.7 gigabytes. So that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.